Rin Robyn Pools has all-season pools from jacuzzi hot tubs. An all-season pool is a hot tub and swimming pool in one. The swim against jets are great for exercise all year long. There are different levels of flow for every type of swimmer. All-season pools feature the swimming area as well as seats for the ultimate hydrotherapy massage after a workout. The benefits of owning an all-season pool include year-round use, swimming fun and games, no building permit needed, portable self-contained, wellness and fitness benefits, no tax increase, pool and hot tub in one, and vacation resort in your own backyard. For more information on our all-season pools, visit one of our showrooms, Chester and Hackettstown. And you can always visit our website at rinrobyn.com or give us a call at 908-850-8545.